back.
Yo.
Anti, are you ready to use our claws and kill all these pigeons that annoy us?
Oh yeah. These pigeons are about to be so delicious.
Every time I try taking a tan, they always interrupt my tan.
Okay.
You get down, I'm gonna get this one. Oh, good job.
Like every single time I go to the beach and I think I'm wearing sunscreen. No, it's the pigeon.
It's the pigeon.
If you know what I mean. If you know what I mean. Okay, come on.
Catch it.
Every time you find one, put it in the pot.
No, I'm done with you, pigeon. Yeah, pigeon, I'm right here.
Alright, cook them up, cook them up.
Oh, I swear I caught it. Oh, yes, I got it.
Oh, yeah, add it to the pile.
Going into the pot now. Trying to see. Yo, I'm cooked. If I drop this in the No! That's one pigeon.
How dare you waste the pigeon!
Got it.
No, no!
Got it. No! Got it. No! I threw that in too hard.
What? I think we got about 4. Do you think that's enough? 2 for each of us?
Let's try to find more.
Okay.
You know what? What about the fish we caught the other day? Exterminate these.
What? That thing don't got no meat on it. Oh, that? Oh, that fish. Not the big fish I caught last Sunday?
No, not that fish.
Nah, I'm kidding. A few Sundays ago.
Alright, get a fish.
One's already dead right here. Or not, one's already gotten caught right here.
Alright, get it.
Wait, hold on. Ah! Trick shot! Oh. I was gonna say trick shot.
No,
Oh yeah.
This
Wait, mix the 2 flavors together. No, mix the 2 flavors together. Honestly, this might be a better meal for you considering you're a zombie, but like this still looks scrumptious. Hey,
cook this.
Alright, let them cook.
Oh,
Let's cook it.
I don't think this is big enough. Oh god. While we do that, I'm gonna pick up the little side pieces of onion.
Okay.
Here.
Hold on.
Yeah, I think this is done. Oh no! This one's burnt. Ugh.
Uh-oh.
Oh, get out.
That's not good.
Oh, these ones suck.
What the hell
The
is
fish
this?
is burnt too. Let's just not use these.
Okay. I'll give me the cucumbers and everything else, and I'll chop them up.
Okay.
Put them on this plate. Hold on, I'll give you like all the. Boom.
Oh, what?
Alright, you're on your food manager right now. You need to make sure you need to cook it and make sure it doesn't burn. And now I'm gonna chop them all up.
Nah, bro, I can chop them up better. Like, what is that? That one almost burnt. Here, let me chop this up real quick.
Oh wait, hold on. There you go.
Let me try chopping it up.
Hold on. There's nothing else to chop.
Yeah, there's.
Wait. Chop this other meat right here. This meat's gross though. Chop the bad meat up.
No, let's cook it.
Cook it. This is the bad meat.
Here, let's have some. No, ow! You're gonna burn your hand like that. Use the spatula.
Nah, bro. I'm built different.
Yo, get it! No,
I'm
it's
built
gonna burn.
different. I'm built different. What can I say?
Okay, I just cut it up.
You call that cut? Wait, I actually wonder. Can I use this? Can my little paws with no thumbs actually use a spatula?
I guess it kind of works. And you flip. Oh.
Oh yeah.
Oh no, it's good.
Mix it together.
Okay, here. Let me prepare the plates because I'm actually really good at preparing plates.
Okay. But didn't put.
Oh no, your mule. Huh? Don't tell my silent
What?
mule, guys. Oh, nothing.
This is my meal. This is my meal, bro.
You have better stuff.
I do. That's just a womp womp for you, isn't it, though? Okay, dig in! Nom nom. No, give me
my
that
food.
You sound like a fatty, bro.
Oh, my mouth is burning.
Give me, hey, leave that meat or else. Leave that meat. Stab.
No, why'd you stab me? You know, just for that.
Oh, I'm about to chop this thing up with.
No, bro, just for that. Get this pot off my. You know, just for that. And take this pot, please.
Ultra damage!
I'm gonna saw off your arm with this.
Whoa, I'ma poop all over you! I'ma poop all over you! I'ma poop all over you! Extra burnt meat!
Stop! No, you can't catch me. Stay back! Stay back, don't come any closer.
How dare you eat my meaty!
No!
Wait, what am I doing? This ain't no day movie! I ain't aiming for the sword and not the leg or the head! I'm not a Dumbo!
No, my sword! No, it's stuck!
Gain, how much plot armor does this guy have? How isn't he dead? Bro,
Guess what,
guy,
though?
oh my god!
Guess
Why
what?
aren't you dead?
Guess what?
What?
Get shocked!
Yo, I think I have plot armor too. Hey! Yo, hey, battle the shield. You know, I don't even think this battle matters because you should have been dead by now, and I should have been dead right now. You know?
No, please. No, please,
Yo,
don't.
To be dead honest, I'm just like.
Thank you for watching. We have too much pot armor, so like.
Yeah. No, I'm the one that said that. You know.
Yo, I'm sorry. Okay, anyways, just like listening.
Wait.
It has a whole speech going,
Hey.
guys.
We had even more plot armor than the family from the new Jurassic Park Rebirth. They should have died in the ocean.
For real though, we have more plot armor than them, bro. I literally got like stabbed in the face. I stabbed this guy in the back and we're not dead. Anyways, thank y'all so much for watching. Hope y'all liked that video. And yeah, bye. Huh, I love you, Wyatt. Even though you're a dead bird, I still love you.
What? You love the dead bird?
Oh, Wyatt, no!
No, I'll save you! Yo, I think I was a little too late.